Everybody. If you have SoundCloud not available in your country problem, I will show you how to fix it. So, if you don't have it, you go to Play Store and you it told you that it's not available in your country. What you should do, you just have to go and install this application who call it Aptoid. Aptoid you can install many and a lot of application that that is not in Play Store or not available in your country. Then if you install it and it's not working, go open the settings of your device, click at apps options, search for SoundCloud, click storage, click clear cache, back, click on force stop and click OK. Now restart your device and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bye.